It seems like there's no such thing as good or forever relationship sa show business. Sa ating society ay nakatutok lang tayo most of the time sa mga hindi magandang nangyayari. But Bealers, mas marami po ang mga nagsasucceed din ng mga relationships sa show business. Unahin natin ang may pinakamaikling relationship, ang Dongyan. Si Marian at si Dingdong Dantes. Nung nagsimula po ang Dongyan ay talaga namang masasabi natin na hindi instant hit ang kanilang relationship. And yet, they're turning 10 this year. At masasabi natin na para talagang may forever. Puntahan natin yung susunod nating family na they've been in the marriage for 13 years. And this is Oyoboy Soto and Christine Hermosa. Initially, Breelers, wala sa vocabulary ni Oyoboy ang salitang kasal. Kaya naman, ikinagulat ni Christine Hermosa na bigla si Oyoboy nag-propose. Next, Breelers, from 13 years, let's go to 16 years in marriage. And they are Cheska Garcia and Dog Kramer. Alam niyo po ba, there was a point in their married life na naghiwalay sila ng 2 months dahil si Cheska requested for a time off. After 2 months, Cheska realized na she still wants their family intact. And the relationship of the family is stronger. Pupuntahan natin yung pinakamatagal. And this is Maricel Lacsa and Anthony Panghilinan. Their relationship being together as a family for 30 years. There was a time, lalo na nung bago pa lang sila ikasal, na itong si Maricel ay trying to be the perfect girl for Anthony Panghilinan. So si Maricel Lacsa showed her truth, and of course, nakikita din yan ni Anthony Panghilinan. At some point, the relationship almost failed. And thank God for God's guidance and support in their relationship. They're still together after 30 years. It's really just a matter of focusing your attention to either breakups or successful relationships. Choices po natin yan. I would like to keep reminding you na kung ano yung ini-expose mo na balita, na updates, kung hiwalayan yan, yung energy niyan, you will bring that to your personal lives.